Have you ever been in a situation where you did not have the right tool for the job? I assume yes. So how did you get out of the situation? This here is an oil filter. The oil pan is off an Infinity M45. And I, for whatever reason, did not have the foresight to remove or to loosen that oil filter before removing the oil pan. Actually, I think I did. Or maybe that's when my oil filter wrench broke. I really can't remember. But so this is something I've used in the past, and I figured why not try to show it. This is a belt, one of my older belts. Crappy buckle. The buckle broke so long ago. Fossil. But I've been using it whenever I dress for the garage because the leather itself, if it's really leather, the material, the belt itself is actually really good. So I go backwards on it like this to get some good grip. I'm pretty sure you can do it with, if you get the buckle, because I've actually used a proper belt. Basically go backwards, and loosening it will be going this way, counterclockwise, looking this way. So I want to do this, put it over the filter, tighten it, then just pull down. There you go. And just like that, thing is loose, I believe. It is. Alright, perfect. Good luck.